Hello, my name is Patricia Elizabeth Torres Villanueva. I am a social anthropologist. I live in Mexico, and I had the wonderful opportunity to meet Dr. Vinicius Monteiro in Israel 2 years ago, where he presented his research work. He invited me to come to Rome and follow an intensive treatment of 1 week with his magnificent apparatus for recalibrating the muscles, the brain, and bringing us to a very healthy life and possibilities to continue, especially in my profession as dance therapist with neuroscience to improve the abilities of both hemispheres through pre-Hispanic dances. I am very grateful to Dr. Vinicius for bringing me back to a very healthy position with my recalibration of the whole muscular and bone structure. I hope I can come back to see him in Rome as soon as possible, and I will do all my best and possible to bring him here to Mexico, which I think will be of great help to many physiotherapists on many directions of the science to bring people back into a normal rehabilitation state. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinicius Monteiro. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you soon in Mexico. Thank you.